Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the unpredictable weather in Plymouth. From heavy rain and coastal winds to frosty winters, local conditions can take a toll on even the most durable roofing materials. Understanding the most common roofing problems homeowners in Plymouth face can help you spot early warning signs, prevent costly repairs, and extend the life of your roof. Leaks and water damage. Perhaps the most frequent issue Plymouth homeowners encounter is roof leaks. With the area's regular rainfall, even a small crack or missing shingle can allow water to seep through, leading to mold growth, stained ceilings, and structural damage. Water often finds its way through damaged flashing around chimneys, skylights, or vents. Over time, trapped moisture can rot wooden decking and compromise insulation, making repairs more complex and expensive. Tip: inspect your attic periodically after a storm for damp spots, moldy odors, or discolored insulation. Addressing small leaks promptly can prevent widespread damage. Damaged or missing shingles. Strong winds coming off the coast, combined with temperature changes, can cause shingles to loosen, crack, or even blow away. Asphalt shingles, the most common roofing material, are durable but not indestructible. Once a shingle is missing, the exposed area becomes vulnerable to leaks and further deterioration. Tip: after heavy winds or storms, do a visual inspection from the ground. Look for shingles that appear curled, cracked, or dislodged. If you notice granules from the shingles accumulating in your gutters, it may be time to schedule a roof inspection. Poor ventilation and insulation. Plymouth homes often experience a mix of hot summers and chilly winters, making proper roof ventilation crucial. Without adequate airflow in the attic, heat and moisture can build up, leading to premature roof aging, mold growth, and higher energy bills. Poor insulation can also cause ice dams during winter, where melting snow refreezes along the roof edges and forces water under the shingles. Tip: ensure your attic has sufficient ventilation vents and insulation. A balanced system allows warm, moist air to escape while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Clogged gutters and drainage issues. With Plymouth's lush greenery and frequent rainfall, gutters can quickly fill with leaves, twigs, and debris. When gutters become clogged, rainwater cannot flow properly and may pool on your roof or overflow onto siding and foundations. This not only damages the roof's edge but can also lead to foundation cracks or basement leaks. Tip: clean your gutters at least twice a year, once in the spring and again in the fall. Installing gutter guards can also help minimize buildup and reduce maintenance. Moss and algae growth. Plymouth's damp climate creates ideal conditions for moss, algae, and lichen to grow on shaded parts of roofs. While they may look harmless, moss can lift shingles and trap moisture, accelerating decay. Algae, on the other hand, can leave dark streaks that make your roof appear aged and neglected. Tip: use a gentle roof cleaning solution or hire a professional to remove moss and algae safely. Avoid pressure washing, which can damage shingles. Prevent future growth with zinc or copper strips near the roof ridge. Aging roofs and lack of maintenance. Even the best installed roof has a limited lifespan. Most asphalt shingle roofs last around 20 to 25 years, while metal or tile roofs can last longer with proper care. As your roof ages, regular maintenance becomes essential to identify issues early and maximize its longevity. Tip: schedule an annual inspection with a reputable roofing contractor in Plymouth. They can assess your roof's condition, replace damaged materials, and provide maintenance recommendations. Protecting your home starts at the top. Your roof quietly protects everything you value, from your family to your belongings. By staying proactive and addressing common roofing problems early, you can save money, reduce stress, and preserve your home's value. Whether it's routine maintenance or emergency repairs, partnering with a trusted local roofing expert ensures your Plymouth home remains strong and secure for years to come.